Welcome to KERUI official store. Now let us take a look at our product WP6 PIR motion detector. This PIR motion alarm has a mini size and fashionable design. Battery or AC power supply. It is connected with Wi-Fi, detect sensitive, immediately alarm. You can remotely control via phone, app, or remote control. 360-degree rotation, 110-degree detection angle. This PIR motion detector can work independent. When the WP6 detects some motion, it will alarm and flash. You will receive the notification at the first time.
WP6 is alarming. WP6 is alarming.
It can also linkage alarm. WP6 can program wireless motion sensor, remote control, door sensor, gas detector, smoke sensor, SOS button, and so on. You can add detectors via a app like this. For example, add remote control. Add PIR motion detector. It is very simple. When the detector is triggered, WP6 will alarm immediately. You will receive the notification at the
WP6 is
first time.
alarming. WP6 is alarming.